Welcome back. Nation's biggest defence expo will begin from Monday at Betul Cafe. Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar will inaugurate the expo on Monday morning. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, along with other top officials of the Defence Ministry and the state, will also witness the event. 1,030 companies from 47 countries are participating in Defence Expo this year. 590 Indian, 440 foreign companies. Expo will be held from 28 to 31st March. Here's a report. For the first time, Defence Expo will be held outside Delhi, this time at the Betul Plateau. Expo will be open from Monday for 4 days. Betul for the first time is witnessing influx of Indian and foreign heavy war machineries and defence equipments. 47 countries will be participating in the Expo, showcasing their latest defence equipments and war machineries. From 28th March, every country will showcase the best they got in defence sector. Altogether, 1,030 companies are participating in the Expo. 590 Indian and 440 foreign companies. Though some of the political leaders from South and locals protested against the Expo in initial stage, things have settled as of now. Several top global defense brands from US, Russia, Germany, France, Israel, South Korea and Italy are participating in the Expo. Delhi had the space and the security limitations while hosting Defence Expo, but here in Betul, companies will have a liberty of displaying their products through live demonstrations. Indian companies have participated in large numbers as the Expo theme this time is Make in India. India's Defence Research and Development Organizations has come all set. Maybe their exhibits would be the largest. This expo might see execution of new defence deals with the foreign partners. The expo is here to stay, but venue in South Goa may be different. Defence Expo will be free to watch for Goans on 4th day, 31st March, but carrying identity card will be mandatory for the entry. With bureau inputs, Savio Dice for Prudent. Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar is proud of the first all-woman crew of Indian Navy, who will begin an independent voyage to Mauritius soon. The woman crew created a history by clocking a smooth sail on vessel Madhe to Goa from Visakhapatnam, a voyage that started a month back. He was speaking at keel-laying ceremony of the sail training boat held at Aquarius Shipyard, Goa. The sailboat shall be delivered early next year, keeping in line with Aquarius Shipyard track record of timely deliveries.
This is one incident where I am very sure that we will achieve. We will show our spirit. A nation which neglects sea power doesn't really become superpower. And India needs to achieve this superpower status, for which we need this kind of spirit amongst our people to really become a blue navy. Journey which starts today probably will actually come into the final play after 1 year. 1 year. Meantime, there is ample time for training. I am told that the team will go to some 2,000 kilometers of Mauritius. They have selected a nice place. You can go to Mauritius. I hope you will allow them to enjoy Mauritius and come back. By that time the training should be complete, and I hope the expedition a success. Very sure that it will do it in a record time and without any incident.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.